Dr. Shepard, and welcome to Piney Point Oral and Maxillofacial Surgery of Katy, Cyprus. So this is our radiology suite. Within this room we have what's known as a cone beam, CT, or a 3D X-ray. It has the capability of taking just a two-dimensional panoramic X-ray that we use for the majority of our imaging. But the 3D feature allows us, in order to see actual bone volume, to evaluate cysts, to plan for implant placement. We also have a digital scanner as well that allows us to take digital impressions in order to prepare for implant restorations. Instead of having to take a manual impression with the sticky goo, this is a much more easy method for patients in order to acquire that final impression. Moving on, we're going to show one of our consult rooms as well. We have 3 along this hallway. Within our consult rooms, we're able to evaluate patients. This is where we plan preoperative surgery, talk about treatment plan options, as well as look at patients postoperatively for routine office visits as well. And finally, we will show you one of our surgical suites as well. We have 2 in our office, a little bit larger room. One feature that I'd like to point out is the centrifuge right here. This is what allows us to make what's known as platelet-rich fibrin, which has been shown to significantly aid in wound healing, as well as bone grafting procedures, and I tend to use this a lot for all of our routine dental alveolar procedures. Thank you for touring our facility today, and we hope to see you soon.